Hello everyone, my name is Wen-Yi Lee and I'm a student from University of Glasgow. Today I'm very happy to be here to present our face recognition door lock system based on the Raspberry Pi. And my teammates are Xianglong Chen and Fan Zhou. And firstly, I'll introduce the hardware we used here. It's an electromagnetic lock, and this is an infrared sensor which can detect whether the people in front of the camera. And it's a camera, and this is a LED light which can help the system to detect the people's face clearly. And there is a button here. When the button is pressed, the people's face will be added into the face database. Besides, there is a fire sensor and a buzzer. When the fire is detected by the fire sensor, the buzzer will sound, which can remind people to escape when there is a fire around them. So now let's run the program. As you see in my screen, when there's no one in front of the infrared sensor, the camera, the program will not be run. Uh, and now let's turn around. You know, um, when I am in front of the camera, the program will be run and my face. The program detects that my face is a stranger, so the door lock will not be opened. Now I will press the button and add my face into the face database. Yeah, as you can see, my face is adding into the face database. And when my face appears in front of the camera again, the door will be open. Okay, as you see, the door lock is opened. Besides, we designed a fire detection system. When the fire sensor detects the fire, the buzzer will sound. We think this system will be helpful for the people who want to design a domestic system. Thank you very much.